Alright, so again, this is your traveling lawyer. I'm Attorney Asuncion and I would like to give some helpful tips for everyone's consumption. No, I was able to get an inquiry relative to a title, transfer certificate of title. And they're asking how are they going to be transferring the property if that particular title was already not destroyed, not lost. However, the original owner had that particular TCT laminated to protect the same. So the original intention was to protect that particular title. However, little did they know na yung title na yon na ginawa nila was actually in effect destroying the said property or that particular title. So, what are you going to do now? So, my first advice, if ever you do have a transfer certificate of title or OCT for that particular matter, don't ever have it laminated because if you're going to laminate the title, the transfer or owner's duplicate copy, the original copy from the RD will also be annotated at the back of the title. So, it's actually being done at the same time. So, kung laminated na to, hindi na ma-annotate sa likod. So, in effect, somehow, it has an effect of being somehow destroyed. So, what's gonna be your remedy if you have laminated the same and hindi mo na matanggal yung lamination? So, what you have to do is to file for uh, not, not lost, but you're gonna be filing for replacement of the owner's duplicate copy of the TCT, no? And then you have to get a lawyer first. There's gonna be an affidavit that you have to file with the RD, and then you're gonna be filing a petition in court to file that particular filing of the owner's duplicate copy, for you to have that. And then afterwards, once you have that, then it could already be transferred now or could already be annotated if it is real estate mortgage, or if there's any other annotation that you wanted to put there. So my first advice really, kahit na the intention is pure to protect the property from being destroyed, wag niyong sisirain yung property through lamination. So, no? While the intention is good, pero the execution is bad in that particular matter. So, wag niyong ilaminate, no? Yung inyong mga titulo ng lupa. At sayang, mapapagastos ka pa sa pagpa-file nito sa korte. Yun lang. No, again, this is your traveling lawyer, Attorney Asuncion, for a very timely, kasi merong nag-inquire lang sa akin relative to that particular incident. So, I'm giving you this particular information na magagamit nyo din in your everyday life. Thank you. All right, bye.